gentlemen, I am here at IFFE EXPO 2024 right here with LMW, and with me is Mr. Shashank Joshi, the Zonal Head of LMW Machine Tool Division, a leader and a person with deep technical knowledge. And today, here he is to give you insights about their latest CNC innovations, including their product LTV 40 and J2 series. He's going to tell us what is this product actually about and how this is helping the industry.
Welcome to our stall in Kolhapur Machine Show. Kolhapur is a big market for us. We have already placed more than 1,100 machines. Kolhapur is full of foundries, and then that's the reason we have displayed our two products which are very suitable, ideal for Kolhapur market. Our LTV 40. This is VTL with turning diameter of 600, turning length of 600, and with 8 to 11 spindle. And this is very ideal for Kolhapur market. We have already supplied dozens of VTLs over here, be it front hub, brake disc, hubs, and then wall components. Now you can see this machine. It's with the massive 8-station hydraulic turret, which is a USP of this machine, with roller guideways, with a maximum turning diameter of 600 and 600 turning length. And this is very ideal for Kolhapur market. And then we'll move to our VMC. Here we have displayed J2 from our very popular J series machines. We have enhanced all the features. This is with 800 X-axis stroke, Y and Z axis have got a 500 mm stroke. This is with inline spindles, so 8,000 RPM is the standard. It is with 24 tool ATC, and though we have enhanced the features, we have reduced the footprint. So it's a machine has become very compact, and this machine is very ideal for job shops and then automobile components. So please do visit our stall, and you can witness the live performance of our fast moving products. Thank you.